I'm John Cohn, IBM Fellow in Corporate Technical Strategy, and I'm an IEEE Fellow and proud of it. I've been walking around here for the last couple of days and it's really overwhelming. I'm particularly interested in Internet of Things, and I mean, it is everywhere this year. And I love that because it's sort of making innovation in everyday objects. Your appliances can be smarter than you are. I mean, what's not to like in that? I love this demo about, mind control cars. I mean, the funny thing is in my work, we're working on Internet of Things around connected vehicles. And we've talked about, how do you get information from the human in? And people talk about mind control. How do I understand what the guy really wants to do? How can I sense if he's sleepy? I think this is a good place to test it, is actually create something where you can drive a car back and forth. I'm a huge STEM guy. I believe in STEM. Like many people, I've become more trendy. I'd like to think about STEAM, where you have science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. It's becoming very clear to people that the world around us has an infinite number of challenges, and many of them have engineering solutions, or engineering is part of the solution. It's not the only part. I mean, you have to bring in that humanity. That's why I really like bringing in the arts. When you have a more technically savvy population, we solve problems better. I really like the fact that kids are getting that linkage. Things like climate change really get them aware that technology has the power to disrupt, but it also has the power to fix things. Old guys like me are actually going back in, either they're working with kids or working with students, oftentimes with the, under the banner of IEEE, and actually relearning this new technology. I'm learning JavaScript. I mean, somebody looks like me learning JavaScript, it's like rapping in Sanskrit or something. It's really interesting, I think it'd be a great time to be a nerd kid.